Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things beauty and lifestyle. Today, I've got something super exciting for you. 10 everyday beauty hacks you need to try now. These tips are not only easy, but also incredibly effective. So let's get right into it. I've been trying out so many new beauty hacks lately, and I just had to share my favorites with you guys. These are perfect for those days when you're short on time or just want to try something new. We've got everything from DIY face masks to tricks for longer lasting lipstick. So grab your favorite beauty products and let's get started. I'm so excited to share these tips with you, and I can't wait to hear what you think. Let's dive in. All right, first up, let's whip up a super easy and nourishing DIY face mask. This one is perfect for all skin types and will leave your skin feeling soft, smooth, and glowing. All you need is one ripe banana, a tablespoon of honey, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Start by mashing the banana in a bowl until it's nice and smooth. Then, add the honey and lemon juice and mix everything together. Once you have a lovely paste, apply it evenly to your face and leave it on for about 15 minutes. While you're waiting, why not put on some relaxing music and just chill out? This is the perfect time to treat yourself to a little pamper session. After 15 minutes, rinse the mask off with lukewarm water and gently pat your skin dry. You'll be amazed by how soft and radiant your skin looks. This mask is packed with vitamins and antioxidants, and the honey helps to lock in moisture. It's a real treat for your skin. Now let's move on to a quick and easy way to achieve fuller looking lips. We all want that perfect pout, right? Well, this little trick is a game changer. All you need is a little bit of peppermint oil. Just add a drop or two of peppermint oil to your favorite lip gloss or lipstick, and voila! The peppermint oil creates a slight tingling sensation that helps to plump up your lips naturally. Don't worry, it's not painful at all. Just a gentle tingle that lets you know it's working. I love this trick because it's so quick and easy and you can see the results instantly. Plus, it's a much more affordable option than lip plumping glosses. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Next up, let's tackle those pesky puffy eyes. We all have those mornings where we wake up feeling a bit tired and puffy, right? Well, I've got the perfect solution for you. Grab 2 metal spoons from your kitchen and pop them in the freezer for about 10 minutes. Once they're nice and cold, gently press the back of the spoons onto your eyelids and hold them there for a few minutes. The coldness helps to constrict blood vessels and reduce inflammation, which will make your eyes look instantly brighter and more awake. This is such a simple trick, but it really works wonders. I like to do this while I'm getting ready in the morning. It's like a mini spa treatment for my eyes. Plus, it's a great way to wake up and feel refreshed. Give it a try next time you're feeling a bit puffy, you won't be disappointed. Now let's talk about lipstick. We all want our lip color to stay put all day long, right? Well, this little trick is a lifesaver. After applying your lipstick, blot your lips with a tissue, then dust a bit of translucent powder over the tissue. This creates a barrier that helps to set your lipstick and prevent it from smudging or fading throughout the day. It's like magic. I always use this trick when I know I'm going to be out and about for a while, and it never lets me down. My lipstick stays put even after eating and drinking. Plus, it helps to prevent that dreaded lipstick on teeth situation, which is always a bonus. So next time you're applying your lipstick, remember this little trick. It's a game changer. Okay, let's move on to one of my favorite beauty hacks, achieving the perfect winged eyeliner. This one can be a bit tricky, but I've got a secret weapon that makes it so much easier. A spoon! Grab a teaspoon from your kitchen and hold it against the outer corner of your eye, angling it upwards towards your eyebrow. Use the rounded edge of the spoon as a guide to draw a straight line for your wing. Then, flip the spoon over and use the handle to create a curved line connecting the wing to your lash line. Fill in the space between the lines and voila! You have a perfect winged eyeliner. I used to struggle so much with winged eyeliner, but this spoon trick has been a lifesaver. It's so much easier to get a symmetrical and sharp wing using a spoon as a guide. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Next up, let's talk about lashes. We all want long, thick, and voluminous lashes, right? Well, I've got a simple trick that will give your lashes an instant boost. All you need is a bit of baby powder. After applying your first coat of mascara, dip a clean mascara wand or a cotton swab into some baby powder and lightly dust it onto your lashes. Then apply a second coat of mascara. The baby powder acts as a volumizer, making your lashes appear thicker and fuller. It's like a secret weapon for amazing lashes. I love this trick because it's so quick and easy, and it really does make a difference. Plus, baby powder is super affordable and readily available. Give it a try next time you're applying mascara. You won't be disappointed. Now let's tackle those annoying flyaways that always seem to pop up at the worst possible time. This little trick is a lifesaver for keeping your hair looking sleek and polished. Grab a clean toothbrush and spritz it with a bit of hairspray. Then gently comb the toothbrush over your flyaways, smoothing them down. The hairspray helps to hold the flyaways in place, and the toothbrush ensures a smooth and even application. It's like magic. I always keep a toothbrush in my purse for those on-the-go touch-ups. It's perfect for taming those little hairs around your hairline or at the crown of your head. Plus, it's super quick and easy, so you can fix those flyaways in a matter of seconds. Give it a try next time you're struggling with unruly hair. Alright, let's talk about dry shampoo. It's a lifesaver on those days when you don't have time to wash your hair. But did you know you can make your own DIY dry shampoo using simple ingredients you probably already have at home? For brunettes, cornstarch is a great option. Just sprinkle a small amount onto your roots, massage it in, and brush it out. For blondes, baby powder works wonders. Both cornstarch and baby powder absorb excess oil and help to refresh your hair, giving it a clean and voluminous look. I love using DIY dry shampoo because it's a natural and affordable alternative to store-bought dry shampoos. Plus, it's super easy to make. Give it a try next time you're in a hurry or just want to refresh your hair between washes. Let's not forget about our feet. They deserve some pampering too, right? This overnight treatment is perfect for achieving soft and smooth feet. Before going to bed, slather your feet with a generous amount of your favorite moisturizer or foot cream. Then, put on a pair of clean cotton socks and hop into bed. The socks help to lock in moisture and allow the moisturizer to penetrate deeply into your skin while you sleep. You'll wake up with baby soft feet. I love doing this overnight treatment, especially during the winter months when my feet tend to get dry and cracked. It's a simple and effective way to keep your feet looking and feeling their best. Plus, it's super relaxing to treat yourself to a little foot massage before bed. Give it a try tonight. Your feet will thank you. Okay, last but not least, let's talk about teeth whitening. A bright white smile can make a world of difference. This natural teeth whitening method uses baking soda and hydrogen peroxide, two ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Simply mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of hydrogen peroxide to form a paste. Apply the paste to your teeth using a toothbrush and leave it on for a minute or two. Then, brush your teeth thoroughly with water. The baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive to remove surface stains, while the hydrogen peroxide helps to bleach your teeth. This method is a natural and affordable way to brighten your smile. Just remember to use it sparingly, as overuse can damage tooth enamel. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. And there you have it, beauties. 10 everyday beauty hacks you need to try now. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, comment below with your favorite hack, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more beauty and lifestyle tips. I'm always on the lookout for new and exciting beauty hacks, so make sure you stay tuned for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.